Hello, Happy New Year everybody. I'm about to start a new art journal for 2021. It is New Year's Day. I have a vodka martini, shaken not stirred, as they say. This is my sketchbook I've got. It's sorry about my really bad James Bond, was it Sean Connery accent? I apologise. There we go, or impression, what you like to call it. This book is from Seawhites. It's just mixed media, all cartridge paper. I think it's like £190, 140 gram. That's the one. Mixed media paper, and it's my new journal, art journal, sketchbook, whatever you like to call it, for 2021. And yeah, so I'm just going to start. It's really difficult to start anything, really. Well, I find it quite easy to start things. It's finishing things that I have trouble with. So I am hopefully going to fill the whole of this. I mean, I've done it with other ones, and I've decided not to do this live because I find this is going to be like in my Mitzi style, not watercolours. Sometimes it's hard for me to get my feelings out live because I have to have like other influences around me, and I paint from an emotional side of myself. So sometimes I can't talk and be interactive with people whilst I'm dealing with all these emotions I have inside me. And I think that's what a good thing about art journaling is. You can get feelings out, anything out, onto paper. It doesn't matter. It's there. It's just for you to look at, unless you're sharing it like I do. Shh. And it's personal to you, and it's something for you. And there we go. Anyway, so it's quite daunting starting because you just have a blank. I mean, what are you going to put in here? What's it going to be? What's it going to look like? I wonder, like, when I get to this page, what my thoughts are going to be. Like, this is future. This is your future. And so this is me just starting. I'll probably speed it up because you won't want to see every detail I do, like, slowly, really, because it might get a bit boring. I don't want to bore you, but I will. The bits that I speed up, I'll probably talk over, do a voiceover, so I can tell you what I'm doing, reasoning behind it, if there is one. 'Cause you don't have to have a reason, you just need to do it. But normally, to start off with a book like this, I try and get something on most of the pages of here. I will probably try and fill up the whole book with mark making, spray paint, and just marks and scribbles and things, and maybe a few words, and just get it out there, and then it'll be something that's ready to go back in and add more layers to. So let's see what happens, shall we? that didn't take me long at all. It took me like 10 minutes to do. All I used was spray paint, a bit of paint and some charcoal. I just got a few things out, covered some pages, wrote some things down. It'll all be covered up later, most probably. And just, I don't really mind if the pages stick together, but if you keep like going through it, you can dry it with a hairdryer or something, the acrylic paint on it. But at least now you won't get so overwhelmed by the blank pages that like are in front of you, and you can start journaling and painting and just getting whatever you need to out. I mean, some of these words were things I want to fill for this year, things I need, stuff I need to get out of myself, stuff like that. I need to get my emotions out, and this is a place where I'm going to do it. So it's really easy just to start somewhere. So this whole book is now ready, in my opinion. You don't have to use it. What I use, if you want to do this, you can just use a pen, pencil, biro, anything you got. Just cover the pages with stuff, so when you open it, there's something there to pull you in and not give you a daunting feeling. So this is the beginning of 2021, and I hope you join me in my adventure of creating this art journal. See you for page 1. Bye. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and go and grab a journal and start this journey with me.